Hello, Android student. How are you today? For today's maths lesson, we'll use primary mathematics workbook, but today we'll do more pages from page 93 to page 108. That means we got 19 pages. So recall back the lesson number patterns comparing ordering numbers. Okay, and because we got more pages to cover today, so the video I will do slightly fast. So if I'm too fast, you may pause the video. Okay, so without further delay, let's start. So we start from page 93. For those if you haven't write down the day and date, okay, please do it now. So very hard to go up. So I just write. Cannot. So I just write here. So for today is okay, we first change pencil. Today your class won't join. Today is 20. Okay, worksheet 2A, like a revision, comparing and ordering numbers. Okay, compare the set, fill in the blanks with more or fewer. Okay, we start from exercise 1A. So exercise A, there are two sets of picture here. So first set got 12 counters. So this one is set A. Set A got 12 counters. So this one is set B. So this one is set B. So set B got 11 counters. So we are comparing more and fewer. Now, look at the question below here. We're comparing more and fewer, and then you need to write down either more or fewer to the box given. So set A has what counters than set B? That means we are comparing from set A to set B. Set A got how many counters? Yes, there are 12. So set B got 11 counters. So 12 compared with 11, 12 has more. So set A has more counters than 11 because 12 is more than 11. Okay, so we move on to the next page. Next page is page 94. Okay, the similar exercise, write down more or fewer. More means a lot, fewer is less. Okay, now it's exercise B. Oh, exercise B, set C 14 cans and set D got 16 cans. Now we are comparing set C to set D. Set C has what cans than set D? So comparing more and fewer. So set C 14 cans and set D got 16 cans. That means set C has, yes, fewer. Set C has fewer cans than set D. Okay, next page already. Next page, the same thing. We write down the word more or fewer. Okay, to the box given. So count, fill in the blank. So beside write down more, fewer to the box here given, we need to count the number, the quantity of horse as well. So set A got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So got 7 horses. We write down. And then set B got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So set B got 10 horse. So set A has what horse than set B? So set A 7 horse, set B is 10 horse. That means set A has, yes, fewer. Okay, the next one is similar exercise. Okay, exercise B. Now I got set C and set D. So set C got how many hands? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So set C got 12 hands. Set D 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's got 11 hands. So set C has what hands than set D? So we are comparing set C to set D. Set C got 12 hands and set D is 11 hands. That means set C has more. So set C has more hands than set D. Okay, so we move to the next page, which is page 96 now. Okay, page 96. Page 96, the similar exercise. First check how many sheeps are there for exercise C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So set E got 13 sheeps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Correct. So set F 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Set F got 16 sheeps. Okay, now set E has what sheeps than set F? So comparing set E to set F. Set E is 13 and set F is 16. That means set E has fewer. Fewer means less, few. Okay, then now is exercise D already. Okay, exercise D. Exercise D got set G and set H. Let's count the cow in set G first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So set G got 14 cows. Set H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set H got 9 cows. So set G has what cows than set H? So comparing set G to set H. Set G got 14. Set G got 14 and set H got 9. So that means set G has more cows than set H. Okay, so next one is worksheet 2B already, page 97. Write down your name and class and today's date. If you haven't write lah, for those haven't do lah. So for those do already, when you watch this video, just recall back the lessons. Okay, color the birds with the smaller number. So smaller is a keyword here. Find the small number. So exercise A, 16 and 12. So which number is smaller? Of course 12 is smaller, right? But we don't circle, we color the birds with the smaller number. So we take out the color pencil and then you color the bird. This one. You can apply any color you like. Okay, next one, exercise B. The same thing, we color the bird with a smaller number. So 17 and 18, which one is smaller? Yes, 17 is smaller. So we color the bird with number 17. Okay, so next one is number 2. Color the fruits with the greater number. So the keywords is greater. Greater mean big. Greater. Greater, the meaning same as bigger. B-I-G-G-E-R. Also, greater is same as bigger. That means find the big number. So when you color the fruit. So 15, exercise A, 15 and 14. Which number is greater? Yes, 15 is greater. So 15 is bigger. So we color the fruits with the greater number, big number. Okay, the next one, strawberry. 20 and 18. Which number is greater? Yes, 20 is greater than 18. So we color the strawberry with the greater number. Okay, done. So we move on to the next page. Yes, correct. Wait, so small already. Next one is page 98 already. Okay. Color the burger with the greatest number. So color the burger with the greatest number. Similar exercise. So exercise 3A, we got 3 burgers. Burger number 12, burger number 18, and burger number 15. So which is the greatest number here? Yes, which is 18. So we need to color the burger with the greatest number. Means it's number 18 burger. Okay, and exercise number 3B, the same thing. We find the greatest number. We have number 11, 7, and 17. So which number is the greatest here? Yes, 17 is the greatest here. Okay, now we do exercise 14 here. Color the sandwich with the smallest number. So the keywords here is smallest, means find excuse me, find out the small number. So color the sandwich. Exercise 4A, we got number 4, 9, and 14. So which one is a smaller number? Yes, exercise number 4A, the smallest number among 4, 9, and 14. 4 is the smallest number here. So I need to color this one. Okay, the last one, 4B, 19, 18, and 20. So which number is the smallest here? Number 18 is the smallest. Okay, so we color number 18, this one. Okay, done. So now is move on to exercise number 5 already. Exercise number 5, we are doing comparing. Compare 18, 13, and 17. Fill in the blanks. Okay, now we got 3 numbers here, 18, 13, and 17. The smallest number is, the smallest number, 13. The greatest number is, greatest mean big, greatest number is 18. Arrange the numbers in order. Start with the greatest. Start with greatest mean the big one. So 18 is the biggest. Then go backward will be 17 and then 13. Follow big to small. Okay, so number 6 now. So exercise number 6, compare 3, 16, and 8. Fill in the blank. So we got number 3, 16, and number 8 given here. A, the greatest number is, greatest mean biggest. So biggest is 16. No? The smallest number is, smallest is 3. Arrange the numbers in order. Start with the smallest. So this one we need to start with the smallest number. So among 3, 16, and 8, 3 is the smallest, followed by 8, and then 16 the greatest. Okay. Okay, done already here. So we move on. We move on to exercise number 7. Arrange the numbers in order. Start with the greatest. So we start with the greatest. So the numbers given here, 16, 4, and 12. So we need to start with the greatest. Among the 3 numbers here, which one is the greatest? Biggest, that means, yes, 16 is the greatest, followed by 12, and then 4 is the smallest. Okay, let's move on. Seems very easy, right? Number 8. Arrange the numbers in order. Start with the smallest. So this time you start with the smallest number. We got number 1, 20, and 8 given. So which number is the smallest? Yes, 1 is the smallest, followed by number 8, and then 20. So we have arranged the number in order. Start from the smallest. Okay, now it's worksheet 3. So let's write down your name first before you start. Class and today's date, if you haven't write the date. Okay, for worksheet 3 is number pattern. This is considered a new topic. So number pattern, here, first fill in the missing numbers. Fill in the blank. Okay, first we fill in the missing number first. 1, 2, followed by 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then continue 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 20. Okay, now below here fill in the blanks. So what is 1 more than 2? Okay, is the meaning is same as equal. 1 more than 2, more is plus. That means you need to use 1 plus 2. That means it's 1 plus 2. You'll find the answer. So 1 plus 2 is how many? 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. That means 3 is 1 more than 2. Okay, so we find out the keywords. This one is more. This means need 1 plus 9. Need 1 plus 9. And then this is less. what is 1 less than 5? That means 1 less is 5, 1 less, 1 less, minus 1. 5 minus 1. Okay, what is 1 less than 7? Okay, so 1 less than 7 means 7 minus 1. Because 1 less than 7 ma. So what is 1 more than 16? 1 more than 16. More is plus, oh. That means 16 plus 1. Okay, what is 1 more than 12? So 1 more than 12. That means 12 plus 1 more. Okay, G. What is 1 less than 15? So 1 less than 15, 15 minus 1. Oh. Okay, what is 1 less than 19? 1 less than 19, 19 minus 1. Okay, so let's find out now. Okay, 1 plus 9 is equals to 10. 5 minus 1, go back 1 step, is 4. 7 minus 1, 7 go back 1 step, will be 6. 16 plus 1, 17. 12 plus 1 is 13. 15 minus 1, go back 1 step, 14. 19 minus 1, go back 1 step, that is 18. So the answer is here. Then you fill in. So 10 is 1 more than 9. 4 is 1 less than 5. 6 is 1 less than 7. 17 is 1 more than 16. 13 is 1 more than 12. 14 is 1 less than 15. And 18 is 1 less than 19. Okay, done. Okay, let's move on. Move on, this is page 102. Same thing, number pattern. Color and complete the number patterns. So first we need to complete the number patterns and then by color it as well. Here 11, 12, 13, 14. So what's come next? Yes, 15. And then we need to color the boxes here to complete number 15. That means color 15 boxes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, done. Now, next one is exercise B. Exercise B. 18, this is count back. 18, 17, 16, 15. Then here will be 14. So we should color 14 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Next one, exercise C. 16, 17, 18, 19. So the next one will be 20. Okay, then we color 20 boxes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and last one, D. D, 12, 11, 10, 9, then 8. This is going backward. And of course, we color 8 boxes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's it. Okay, next one is page 103. Complete the number patterns. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, then 10. So for B, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, then 12. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Okay. Okay, then we move on to the next page, which is page 104. Page 104. So this one, complete the number patterns. So either is count on or count back. That's mean in ascending order, small to big, or descending order, big to small. 9, 10, 11, 12, and followed by 13, 14, 15. Okay, the next one is 17, 16, 15, 14. Then we'll go back to 13, 12, 11. Okay, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then will be 17, 18, and 19. This one, 20, 19, 18, 17. It will go backward. 16, 15, and then 14. Okay, next one, mind workout. Write down the date first. Wait. What are that? Change color. What happened? Wait. like that. Use the number cards below to make 2 number pattern. You can use each card only once. Okay, can use each card only once. So pattern 1, so here is 13. Here's 13. That means you can use count on or count back lah. If we are using count back method, 13 there will be 12, 11, 10. Okay, so we will use 12, 11 and 10. Okay, but if we let me write down first. 12, 11 and 10. Okay, let's come back to pattern 2. So 9, if we count on, it will be 10, 11 and 12. But you need to look at here. 10, 11, 12 already used. Here 10, 11 and 12 already used for pattern 1. So we cannot repeat the number because each card only once. That means once of the set we cannot use. Let's check got how many numbers left here. Got 15, 14, 16 and 13 left here. So 9 for pattern 2. 9 we cannot use 14, 15, 16 or 13 to complete the pattern, because beside 11, 10, 12, if we use count back method, it will be 9, 8, 7, 6. Here don't have 8, 7, 6. So what we can do is, this one cannot. That means the pattern 1 we cannot use 10, 11, 12 already. Okay, so we can use 10, 11 and 12 for pattern 2. That means 9, 10, 11, 12 is for pattern 2. Okay, and then pattern 1 will be 13, count on, 13, 14, 15 and then 16. That means we will use 14, 15 and 16 to complete pattern 1, and we use 10, 11, 12 and to complete pattern number 2. I don't know why I cannot write. Okay, so let's move on to page 105. So write down your name, class, one joy, and today's date. Okay, if you already write last week date, no need to change this one. Count the things in the toolbox. So you need to count the quantity: nail, screwdriver and hammer. There are how many in the toolbox first? Fill in the blank. The nail first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So nail got 15. So let's check screwdriver now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Screwdriver got 12. So what about the hammer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So hammer got 10. So the next one, we need to compare and fill in the blanks with more or fewer, with the words more or fewer. There are more nails than hammer. So nails got 15. And hammer, there are 10 only. If comparing nails to hammer, so there are more nails than hammer. So next one, there are what hammer than screwdriver. So we are comparing the quantity between screwdriver and the hammer. Hammer got 10 and screwdriver is 12. That means 10 compared with 12. 10 is less lah. That means fewer. So there are fewer hammers than screwdrivers. Okay, done. Wow. Undo. Okay, so next one we go to the page 106. So this one, page 106. Color the parts with number greater than 15. So this is a keywords, greater than 15. Greater than 15, that means it's more than 15. The number should be more than 15. Okay, so the number more than 15, that means 15 cannot count. 15 onwards, that means 16, 17, 18, 19 and so on is greater than 15. So the correct answer is, change color. So this one is greater. 16 is greater than 15. 18 is greater than 15. And then this one as well. What happened? No more already. Oh my god, cannot color. But some portion cannot color. This one also. 16 is greater than 15. Now can color already. And then what else? Here. Okay. 15 cannot. So that's it, no? What you found? What do you see? Okay, there's a horse. H-O-R-S-E. Okay, it's a toy, so actually it's a rocking horse. Okay, number 3, arrange the numbers in order. Start with the smallest. So start with the smallest number. So the numbers given got 9, 15, and 10. So which number is the smallest? We should write first. That means it's 10. Followed by 15, then 19. So B also the same, start with the smallest. The number given got 20, 2, 20, and 11. Smallest is 2, followed by 11, and then 20. Okay, number 4. Before arrange the numbers in order, start with the greatest. So we start with the greatest number. You are 18, 6, and 12. What is the greatest number here? Yes, 18, followed by 12, and then 6. So for B, the numbers given got 5, 17, and 14. So start with the greatest, mean big one. The biggest is 17, followed by 14, and then 5. And then the smallest is 5. Okay. Now we move on to the last page, which is page 108. Here. Okay, now let me enlarge a bit first. Bigger a bit. So Junhao plays a game at a fun fair and wins some soft toys. Okay, he play a game and then he already won the toys. Fill in the missing number. So first we need to fill in the missing number. The number here is the code. Is numbers for the toys. So got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So all the toys have labeled the numbers above. And then here B, color the soft toys that Junho wins. So how to calculate the toys that he had win, because he's throwing the hoop to the cone. So the cone that already successfully throw in the hook, that means he will win the entire toys with the numbers. That means 14, 17, 16, and then 20. So here are the 4 numbers that he gets. So we need to find out what are the toys that he win. Okay, we start from 14. Find out 14, this one. 14 is a toy dog. And then 16 is a toy elephant. 17 is the toy boy. And then the last one, 20, is a teddy bear. So what should we do? We need to color the soft toys that Junho win. So we need to prepare color pencil, color the entire 4 types of toys. So we need to color the dog. Color toy dog. Okay, Junho win this toy dog. And then next one, he won the toy elephant as well. Then we color the toy elephant. And then he win the boy as well, the toy boy. Let me color the toy boy. And then the last one is the teddy bear. So he also win the teddy bear. Okay, so done. That's it. Okay, thank you to all. Okay, please remind that take picture and upload the homework to Google Classroom. Actually, if it doesn't upload, also never mind already for this week, because this week we are going back to school on Wednesday. So Wednesday, I will collect your books for checking and marking. And please remind, bring your activity book to school as well, the activity book part 1. Okay, thank you to all. Bye. Have a nice day.